Welcome everyone to today's class. In this class, we'll be discussing about the option element in HTML. So how can we make use of the option element in HTML? So the option element is used to define an option in a select list. So the option element goes inside a select or a opt group or a data list element for it to be fully used. So let me show you how it can be done. So let me show you how we can make use of it. So without wasting much, so let me start with the label. So I'm not going to, let me still make use of the form so that you can still learn more on how to receive data with your website. So let me still make more of it form. So our usual submit.form. So let me say label for let me say names. I'm ready to collect names. Okay, for example, let me just say choose your name. Let me just choose your name. Your name. For example, we're just using this for an example. And let me say select ID. The ID will be names. So I'm not going to make use of this much. Now, as you can see, we are having it here. Choose your name. You can see it is now blank. No name yet. So let me now add the option. Add the option, the value. We need to add the value because that is what the backend is going to make use of. Yes, that's why we need to add the value. So the value is for the backend. So let me say Ayo. Ayo. I'm going to have Ayo. You see, instantly we have it here again. So option again. Option. Let me say Ini. Iniolua. So option, let me say, Iniolua. So now, let me test. Now you see we have it here. So option again, option. So let me say Dorcas. So you are going to have it here, Dorcas. Now as you can see, immediately we are making changes. It is also reflecting on our website. So option. Let me say Esther. Then we have Esther. Okay. Now the last but not the least, let me say look. I'm going to have it here. Look. So for our submit button, in order for us to receive the data from in our backend, So we use the input, the type, which is going to be submit. Going to be submit. Then the value, we're going to submit the value as well, which is going to be submit to. Submit. Now you see we have it here. Now by clicking, now let me choose a name. Let me say, for example, I choose this. Now submit. By submitting, now you see. So that is how our data will be received at the back end using the option tag. So thank you for today's tutorial. The next tutorial we are going to discuss more on some useful elements in HTML.